How's it going, guys? This evening I have a customer's push mower here. It's a HRN216 Honda. The actual model of the mower is the HRN216. I've cleaned the carb. What else did I do? Replaced the drain bolt gasket, pulled the blade, sharpened the blades. Everything's running perfect. Thought I was about done. Went ahead and tested self-propel, and the belt is stretched. So that's what we're doing now. I just got my belt from Amazon for whopping $14, I think. I'll leave a link in the description if that's the correct one. We'll see in this video. And then this mower will be good to go. So, alright, the blade has 2 bolts and they're 14 millimeter. For you guys, yell at me in the comments. I know this isn't impact rated, but oh well, is what it is. The 2 blades off and sharpened. And now we need, looks like 2 10s up here, holding the shield on. It's kind of hard to see. Looks like 2 10s. Do have to rotate the output shaft to get to them. Look fairly easy to get to. Get swapped out here with the tools. Where are you at, other one? Alright, 2 10s are out. Now we have this belt retainer. Just like that. Now we should be able to pop our belt off of each end. Probably easier to just pull it from the drive side if you can get to it easily. And of course you have to pull the retainer off this end too. Just as lovely as I thought it'd be. So you have to pull the rear axle on this mower, it looks like. I really thought I could avoid that, but that's not the case. So, looks like 4 10s and we can pull the axle. So, I guess that's what we're doing. I'm going to pull this axle, 4 10s, 2 on each side, and go from there. Pulled the 4 10s and the little holders. So, I think we should be able to lift it and it just kind of pops out. We do have our little lever here, our cable hooked up. I'm trying to avoid taking that off, but let's see what we can do. See our finally, we moved all across the garage during this whole fight. Finally put it all back and just lifted up the mower and kicked the axle out, and it finally fell out enough to swing this way so I can get this 14 off. Get the pulley off. That's all I needed. Top of that off. It's a split pulley. And now the whole thing falls into pieces. Dang a mower. We got a ghetto cruiser. All that. Just for the belt. Yeah, it's a split pulley, so makes it easy. You can only put it on one direction. So, oh man, that was a chore and a half. Should not have been at all. It was a belt. So now, since we got that off, we have all the slack in the world. Pull this out. And if you can see here, that might be why we didn't have self-propel. That thing is flat and burnt. So hopefully this Amazon belt is the correct match. Try lining it up, but I don't know if measurement's gonna matter when it's that flat. Pretty close. Yeah, new one's definitely a lot stiffer. Seems exact. 590. Yeah, this one has no marking. Oh, there's some markings. Don't know what that says. Just Honda. It's original. Alright. Now that we retired on this job, shove this back by the chute. Hopefully have it pop out where it's supposed to be over there. There it should be. Stick it on the pulley up there. Fine tune it here in a few minutes. I know what I'm resorting to, and I should have done this to begin with. It's an hour-long video. I know you're all thinking, what'd you resort to? What I should have done to begin with is use that chain hoist, but it's occupying a stall, so next best thing. Bungee cord to the garage door frame. Okay. Let's see if we could do this. And getting back together, you think we can do it in half the time we did taking it apart? That's usually how my times go. Turn my flashlight on and possibly help no one in the process. Oh, you might be able to do that. You see that? You're probably not even facing the right direction. I don't know. Let's get you that way a little bit. Just to give you a little wiggle. Okay. Now we got two pulley halves, which is better than one pulley half, I guess. This is what was messing me up, is the orientation of this whole rear axle part here. So I'm still not 100% sure which way that went, but oh well. You go to the bottom or to the back? I don't know here. This is probably a good way to find out is by figuring out before I put it in there, you think? I went to the bottom because this is my lever to adjust the height, which I need on that side. Let's go ahead and stick our cable thing that was a pain in the butt. It all of a sudden is too short now. I gotta do my pulley first though, that's what keeps throwing me off. I really want to know how you're supposed to officially do this job, because this right here is a pain in the butt. with this hanging, swinging lawnmower thing I got going on here. I have to like cuddle this thing. I don't even know how I got to this to begin with. I'm just going to stick the bolt on and then rotate it. You have two little divot pin things on here that you're supposed to line up and not smash the belt with. I still don't even know how the heck I got this far around the garage. I started out on the lift over there, and now I'm already scooting backwards. It's like doing the inchworm marathon. Okay. Now where's that bolt? Or nut? Or what do I call it? If I get it started, that'd be a good start. Give me something, please. This is the workout here. I tell you what, I need this bungee cord to be shorter. Ugh. Okay, come on. Alright, now that I pretty much retired on this job, I think we're finally ready to test it. If it doesn't work, I'm going to burn it to the ground. Let's wheel it outside, fire it up, and hopefully it drives itself. Or has smart drive again, you know. Works for me. Retirement job is finally done. Well, I only had one casualty, and that was my right pointer finger glove. So, doing pretty good. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.